Here's our exclusive interview of the day. Spicejet on a very strong wicket right now, and the airline will do significantly better than the last quarter. These are the words from Chairman Ajay Singh, who took charge early in 2015 at a time when Spicejet was experiencing turbulent weather. That's putting it rather mildly. He was facing near collapse. Ajay Singh told CNBC-TV18 Shereen Bhan that right now Spicejet was in need of cash and would need it only when they place large orders for aircraft. He also pinned his hopes on the Indigo IPO later this month, saying it would give his company a better valuation as well.
Spicejet has achieved occupancy factors of in excess of 92% the last 5 months, and that's been part of a deliberate strategy. This airline had shut down in December, and from there it was important for us to start to revive consumer confidence, and we've done that in a variety of ways. The fact that occupancy factors have been so high reflects the fact that consumer confidence is actually coming back into the airline. Going forward, we are very confident that we'll be able to sustain high occupancy. It's difficult to say exactly what those numbers would be, and the strategies will keep changing from at different points of time. But what we have achieved, and the reason that we've been successful, is that as oil prices have come down, and as a consequence of oil prices coming down, the tariffs have come down, the airfares have come down. Our occupancy factors have ensured that our total revenues remain the same. We've also focused on ancillary revenue and increased that pretty dramatically over the last few months. And as a consequence of this, even as costs are lower, the revenues have sustained, and therefore we've been profitable. This, of course, Q2 is the weakest quarter of the year. And while we are in silent period and can't talk of our results, the fact is that it's clear from our occupancy numbers which are published that we will do significantly better than we did in the same quarter last year.
We'll tell you what else Ajay Singh is planning at Spicejet. There's a conversation coming up for you at 9 p.m. on India Business Hour.